Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have ever uploaded a video to your WhatsApp status and noticed it looks blurry or low quality, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos to WhatsApp status directly from your phone, no third party apps needed. So first, why do WhatsApp videos look blurry? Well, WhatsApp compresses videos by default to save space and reduce load time. But the downside is it lowers the video resolution. That's why even when you record in HD or 4K, it still ends up looking pixelated. To upload high quality videos, here's what you need to do before sharing them. First, shoot your video in good quality. Make sure the resolution is set to 1080p or 4K, not 720p. Second, trim the video. WhatsApp only allows 30 seconds per status clip. Use your phone's gallery editor or apps like InShot or CapCut to trim it perfectly without compression. Third step, export at correct settings. If you're editing, make sure to export using 1080p resolution, above 2 Mbps bitrate, and MP4 format. Now here's the trick, upload as a document. So open WhatsApp, go to any chat, I'll go with this one. Tap the attach icon and go to document. I will choose from my gallery, I'll go with this one. Send it to yourself or a friend. The video is sent. Tap the video to preview. So here, tap share button at the bottom of the screen. Go to WhatsApp and choose my status at the top. And tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner of your screen and share it. Since you shared the original file without compression, WhatsApp lets you post it at higher quality. Avoid sending your video through WhatsApp chat first, then reposting. That compresses it even more. Also, don't use screen recordings. The quality gets reduced. If you're on iPhone, video quality is often better by default, but you can still follow these same steps for best results. On Android, use File Manager or apps like Explore File Manager to easily select HD video files. And that's it. You now know how to upload crystal clear, high quality videos to WhatsApp status without blur or pixelation. If this video helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who always posts blurry status videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.